How do I view all sites at once on Wix Editor? I'm showing this very short video. So if I want to check all my sites that I've created and I don't know, and I want to start using Wix, I didn't know where I have to return. Where do I have to go? Do I return back to all my sites that I've created? But where do I click? So it's actually, you're gonna have to go here to sites. Here we have, if you click on sites, here we have exit editor. Okay, if I'm gonna click on exit editor, now I can check all the sites I've created. I can actually click on here, create a new folder, test folder. And then here I can click on list view and I can select few sites and I can move to this folder I've just created. You can click on here, test folder. And now it's moving those sites to this folder. You can also click on here, move to trash. So you can actually just delete all those sites. All right. So it's pretty cool that we have this option, which is, of course, we have actually this option. And now here, if you just already selected your site or you're here on this dashboard, if you want to go back again to all your sites, you now have to click on here on the name of your site, and then here you have go to all sites. Okay. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.